Welcome to our tutorial on how to manage trend notifications on Twitter for PC. Let's simplify your experience together. To get started, open Twitter on your PC. Then, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Next, in the left-hand column, find and click on the Web Notifications option. Within the Notifications settings, locate the Notification Types menu and uncheck the box next to Something is Trending in My Network. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button. By following these steps, you can customize your trend notifications on Twitter and tailor your feed to your interests effectively. Take control of your Twitter experience on your PC by managing trend notifications and ensuring a more personalized and focused feed. This script is designed to guide viewers through the process of managing trend notifications on Twitter using a PC.